Dumpster Rentals, Flowood, Mississippi. Looking for an easy, reliable dumpster rental in Flowood, Mississippi? ATA Rental Services has you covered with top-notch waste solutions for all your project needs. Our team at ATA Rental Services provides dependable dumpster rentals tailored to keep your worksite organized and efficient. Whether you're cleaning out your home or working on a construction project, our dumpsters are ready to handle jobs of any size. We understand that every project has its own timeline, so we offer flexible rental options that seamlessly fit your schedule. From delivery to pickup, we're here to make the rental process as simple and stress-free as possible. We proudly serve Flowood, Mississippi, and bring reliable service to your doorstep. Our dumpsters are built to accommodate everything from household waste to heavy debris, keeping your space clean and clutter-free. Customer satisfaction is our top priority, and our friendly team ensures a smooth experience from start to finish. Waste disposal shouldn't be complicated, and with ATA Rental Services, it never is. You can rely on us for safe, affordable, and efficient dumpster rental options. Let us manage the cleanup so you can focus on the success of your project. Do you need a dumpster rental today? Call ATA Rental Services at 601-920-9179 for quick and easy scheduling. ATA Rental Services is your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Flowood, Mississippi, offering seamless solutions for a cleaner and more organized worksite.